Are you craving a cheesecake, but you wish it was high protein, low carb, and easy to make? Stick around to the end of this video because this recipe is for you.
Go ahead and make note of our ingredients list on the screen. This will also be in the description box, but take a screenshot if you want. This is exactly what we'll need today. Let's start with our almond flour crust. So you just want to pour your almond flour and some melted butter in your baking dish, and then just give it a little mix. And we're gonna press this with our hands into the baking dish, and that's gonna create our crust. So this is gonna go in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. Next, we're gonna grab our cottage cheese, our Greek yogurt, maple syrup, that's gonna be our sweetener, vanilla extract, and I'm squeezing half of a lemon. You also want to add some Ceylon cinnamon. Go ahead and give this a good mix, and then we're actually going to pour all of this in our blender so we get out the lumps and just get it nice and smooth for our cheesecake filling. Alright, so we're going to let our crust cool down for a little bit, and once it's cool, we're going to go ahead and pour on top our cheesecake filling. It should be nice and smooth. And then this is going to go in our freezer for 4 hours. Guys, each serving of this is 18 grams of protein. You get probiotics and it's low carb. The reason I love to do this at home is because it actually tastes like cheesecake without the preparation. Go ahead and zest a little bit of lemon on here and top it off with some frozen blueberries. I like to let them go ahead and thaw out so we get a little bit of syrup from the blueberries, and it is so good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cut our slice. Oh, so good. I can't wait. Top with a few extra blueberries if you want, and a little syrup. And there you have it, blueberry lemon cheesecake, but a healthy low-carb, high-protein version. Get into it.
Before I jump into this taste test, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying this recipe. It really helps out our channel. Of course, after it's nice and chilled, it'll set nicely. This is nice and melty. Something that I like to do is just warm up some blueberries in the microwave and pour it on top, and it'll get this melty. But if you don't want it this melty, don't microwave the blueberries and eat it right away. So we're gonna go ahead and go in for the taste test. All right, cheers. All right. That is really good. Wow. Wow. That's amazing. It tastes like a cheesecake ice cream, if that makes sense. Maybe like a blueberry lemon cheesecake frozen yogurt kind of vibes. Definitely give this a try at home and comment below what you think. Thanks again for watching. Eat well, be well, and see you next time.